Hello everybody and welcome to another lesson of Smart Touch. Today I'm going to show you how to lay out a text in two columns using InDesign CC. So let's start and let's jump into InDesign. So here I have my document that I previously prepared, and here in Word I have an article written by a friend of mine, which is the text that we are going to use to lay out our page in InDesign. Let's suppose we are creating a magazine and this is the first page of an article. So there is a title, an introduction text, and the article text, which is divided into two columns. There are several ways to create a two columns text. And as always, the best choice depends on which kind of document we want to create. So let's start and see the first one. I'm going to create a new document by pressing Command N, Ctrl N for Windows users, or going with the mouse on the File menu and choose New Document. In the New Document dialog box, I leave 1 in the number of pages field because for this lesson I need only one page. And then in the page size field, I leave A4, which is a perfect size for our purpose. And here, in the column section, I can define how many columns I want for my document. So, for this case, let's put 2. Leave all the other settings as they are and click OK. This way, InDesign creates a document with the guides set up to divide each page into 2 columns. But be careful. If I draw now a text box by clicking on the text tool in the tool panel or simply press T on my keyboard and paste inside it the text that I previously copied from Word, as you can see, the text doesn't automatically go into 2 columns. So, what I have to do? In this case, I have to adjust the text box to fit 1 column, then duplicate this column or create another one to fit the other column, and now I will use the text linking function to let my text flow from one column to another. And now you can think, okay, my work is done. I have a page with a text divided into 2 columns. But I think it's too much work, don't you think? Moreover, using this technique, InDesign sets all the pages of my document with the same structure. So, what, for example, if I want to make a 2-column text only in one page of my document, or just in a portion of a page, like in the example page we've seen before? And of course, there's a faster and better way to achieve this. So here I have duplicated the document that I showed you before, but with a blank space that we have to fill up with our 2-column text. So again, I'll take the text tool by pressing T on my keyboard. I click and drag to draw the text frame I need. Click inside the text box and press Command V, Ctrl V for you Windows users, to paste the text that I still have in my memory. And now right-click over the text box and choose from the menu Text Frame Options. As you can see, here there is the Columns sections under the General tab, where you can specify how many columns you want in your text area. So here I'll type 2. Then you can specify the value for the gutter, which is the space between the columns. And here I leave it as it is and click OK. And voila! As you can see now, only the text of this text area is divided into 2 columns and the words automatically flow through the columns. And now let's give it a little bit of love, choosing a nicer font. I'll choose Caslon. Let's put 13 as the font size, and in the line height I will put 18. And done! The page is well made with a nice article divided into 2 columns with just one step. Thank you for watching. See you on the next tutorial. Bye!